I'm Satish Kumar, the head of operations for Moog India Technology Center. CSR is a passion for us. We do a lot of CSR. Apart from allocating our funds for CSR, we really involve our employees in wherever we contribute, and employees are very passionate about doing that. We have a committee, we have an employees committee who runs the CSR programs. It's just that the corporate and the board allocates the funds and employees really get involved into it. Even they contribute a good sum to the entire funding. It's been really enjoying. We do a lot of programs like we have collaborated with Kidwai on the pediatric chemotherapy program, and we are going to give science education to a lot of schools. Those are some of the enlightened programs. Other thing is that we have also gone ahead and then helped the unemployed women by providing them tailoring machines and vocational training so that they are there on their own. Thank you very much.
Yeah, my name is Amitabh Roy. I've been with this in the IT industry for the last 34, 35 years. And I think over a period of time, what I recognized is that every company, every society actually needs the support of the businesses in terms of giving back something to the society. And in today's world, where in India lives in great poverty on one side, and also on the other side, companies and individuals are doing so very well. I think there is a great opportunity for the corporates to give back something to the society. And I think the corporates can decide in which segment they want to really invest uh, and stay there invested in a over a long period of time. Whether it's education, whether it's healthcare, whether it is some other areas which like environment and others where uh, companies can really help. The help is absolutely needed. I have personally been involved in some activities, particularly in the Sundarbans, which is a ecologically very vulnerable place, and I've seen from a very close distance, the poverty which is there, and how people actually circumvent that. They innovate themselves to actually still live a life which they can thrive on. And if we as corporates can help them or such places to really with technology, with contributions in terms of money, in terms of education, that's a big help to them. And I think it's a great satisfaction to people like myself and others that we are able to contribute back to the society. So thank you very much. I wish Vardhan the very best in terms of its endeavor, and I'm sure it will be a great success.
I am Nagesh from VEOS India. We have a company which believes in producing products and services which create a positive social impact. Corporate social responsibility is something which should be an engraved kind of genetic factor into all corporates. Today, my view in CSR is that don't think that spending a 2 penny out of every dollar, every pound, is going to make much change. Though it is a good beginning, I strongly believe that the right thing for any company is to look at how do they engage their own the business logic or business growth into the society requirement. Basically, we should ask questions that whatever corporate actions I'm taking, be it a production, be it a service, be it manufacturing, be it even engaging employees, engaging vendors, anything, whatever I do in that, whatever actions that we take which produces the end results to my corporate, yes, it is important that it finally produce profit, but does it also impact the society and impact positively? So I strongly believe CSR is all about a change in the thinking about producing such software and products which can create social impact in a positive manner. That is real CSR. That's what I believe CSR is all about. Yeah, thank you.
Good evening. I am Jitendra Dugad from Gogo International Private Limited, Executive Director and CEO. We are in the manufacturing of ready-made garment for domestic and export brand. We are in the business for more than 2 decades. The scheme which is brought down by the government is a really good scheme, but the issue is that it should not be made compulsory for each and every organization. The company which is there in the business for last long, it's very easy for them to make some provision for the CSR, but for the new company, though it is based on the profit, but it is not that easy, because nowadays so many things are there in the society which, as it is, people are involved and they are doing on their own. It would have been better if the government would have given guideline, not imposing the CSR. I think in long term, people feel that they are part of society and everybody wants to deliver to society in some or other way. Now the question of how and where to give this type of 2% is very, very important. I appreciate initiative taken by this great people from Vardhan, and they can give good guideline and comfort that the money which you are going to spend is going for the right purpose for which this act is made by the government. I'm sure that they have taken initiative in the beginning and they will get great success, because always the person who start first will always be recognized to take this government scheme for the society forward. Thanks.
Yeah, hi. I think first of all, I want to congratulate Anil and Guru in this initiative. I think it's very novel, and I think there's a lot of scope to build socially responsible business in this area, even for themselves. So that way, I'm quite excited that they chose something different, off track, to focus their energies. So congratulations to them. Personally, I feel that CSR or any activity around social responsibility has to come from the heart. And if that can be combined with business, with professionals, like the way Mr. Jacob Kurian mentioned, I think that's the way forward. There is a leadership vacuum in the country. People are looking at support in terms of any activity they want to do. So this way, this is another area where there is a lot of support required in terms of community building, in terms of social responsibility. So I think they'll do very well. My congratulations to them once again. I think it's exciting times. Thanks.
Basically, I would like to share some random thoughts on this corporate social responsibility initiatives. Though it has been propelled by the government directive to spend a specified percentage of 2% of the profit to be plowed back. Yet I think from a common citizen point of view, they recognize corporates as a citizen, not as a corporation with a profit motive or commercial activities. Once each of the corporates get recognized as a citizen of a society or a country, it automatically the responsibilities for the society goes along with that. There are a couple of random thoughts in what corporates can do. It could be sectoral, like healthcare industry taking care of the disposal of the waste. It can be an automobile industry taking care of the maintenance of roads or helping the policemen to do their job, adopting them, giving them. It could be any of the industries in their own verticalized world can adopt what they contribute. They can also actively engage the employees to show a sense of responsibility, to participate actively. Now, many a time, the corporate initiatives are put in the annual reports as to so much money has been spent on corporate responsibilities. That is good. what the corporates fail to recognize or miss in the longer run is it quietly builds a brand equity over a period of time. Many of the corporates like Tata's have emerged as leaders in building social philanthropic initiatives where they gained a brand name over a period of time. Anybody in India would recognize Tata's not only from the point of view of what they do, but they recognize them as very responsible corporate citizen. That is the way I think the corporates have to look at it and enlarge their participation in the social order or as a citizen of the country or the society in which they participate to live. These are my random thoughts. They are my personal views. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to talk about it. Thank you.
If I have to speak about CSR in corporates, I'm a firm believer that every corporate has to imbibe the CSR voluntarily, basically, as culture in every company, basically. It's most importantly, it is now, though I mean CSR has become an act through Companies Act 2013. It is most important that without even thinking that, if they can start bringing about the culture of CSR in each and every employee and then influencing around its business, basically, it can bring about a lot of values through which they as a company it can also grow by itself. In the sense that we have also been seeing a lot of unpleasant things happening in the corporate world today, a lot of frauds, I mean, a lot of things which is very unpleasant things that is happening, which by itself can avoid if this kind of culture is created. I mean, every employee will start believing in purpose of living in the society. It is not about just working in the company just for the purpose of salary. It is also that he gets to know by doing, I mean, giving 100% in the company, doing his job sincerely, promptly, and giving 100%. Along with the company, he also grows. At the same time, he can also start thinking about, I mean, doing something other than this, which will also prop up his image by himself as an individual. And he will start contributing to this, not only society, to himself, and also to his family and the environment around him. So it is not that every corporate should be looking at CSR as a CSR, as an act through a Companies Act which has just come now. And instead of looking at that way, every company, every employee of the company, through the management, it is important that they should start thinking that it is their own, as an individual, it is every single person's responsibility to the society that they need to give back for having got something through the company. And they also need to ensure that the level in which they are living in the society today and other people in this also, I mean, people who are the downtrodden, have-nots, also brought to their own level, and they feel happy in being together as a society. So I think this is very important.
Hi, my name is Manu Chakawal. I work for Ansaldo STS, head their finance and treasury. If somebody wants to ask me what's my social response, how we look at social responsibility is make sure that people around us are happy, take care of suppliers properly, and take care of the society around, and make products such a manner that the benefit of the product is enjoyed more by the customer than the benefit of the profit what we make out of that product. That's what we look at.
Yeah, hi, I'm Priyali and I'm a corporate lawyer. I also practice IP and technology law. I truly and honestly believe that CSR is a very important part of a company's organizational structure, and it helps a great deal to have it in place to add value to your organization as well as to society as a whole. Thank you.
Corporate social responsibility is not just done for corporates. It should be a societal awareness which everyone in the society is interested in and should get involved in. Though the corporates may give a fillip to it, starting looking um, at corporate social responsibility, and government has made it mandatory, which is a great thing, no doubt about it. But there should also come an awareness among everyone in the society that we need to do something for our fellow citizen, fellow citizens of the world. So. Corporate social responsibility is something that I would love to be a part of as an organization, as a responsible corporate organization. Tally has been doing quite a bit of stuff around this, around areas in the range of um, uh, education among people who don't have the means for it. We support quite a bit of it. We give training on skill development and things of that sort. Get involved in women's issues and things of that sort. This is a great forum, Vardhan, where they've been trying to get people involved in. And I wish Vardhan all the success, and would love to be a uh, part of seeing a grand social responsible India. Thank you.
Hi, I am Mayank. Uh, I'm a business guy, and I believe that organizations should be socially responsible, and that will be good for their profits in the long term. So I'd like to see more organizations becoming socially responsible. Start looking at stakeholders instead of shareholders. And I believe that when you come up with a business strategy that aligns with the interests of all your stakeholders, it might take some time to understand what's the right strategy. But once you get that and implement it, with stealth of a private organization, I believe that you will make sustainable profits for a long time, and you will go into attraction mode rather than push mode. You'll attract clients, attract wealth, and attract goodwill, and the organization will be there for a long time, even after you have left the world. Thank you so much.